Welcome to the Usmara story.
I have been traveling around Vietnam for quite some time now. I have explored multiple cafes, street vendors, and even the supermarket coffees. The coffee culture, it just amazes me how people enjoy their coffee from street side stalls to the fancy cafes. They just love their coffee and they celebrate it. It's not just about having caffeine, it's something that you have to be here and experience. And it's really hard to describe this culture which is over there. One major gap which is there back home versus here is the type of coffee. In India, it's a myth that has been created which revolves totally around Arabica. What I feel is it's over glorified in India. For me, I like my coffee with a little earthy and nutty note, something that has a smoky aftertaste. Arabica will never give you that. Arabica has a sour texture. And here in Vietnam, in fact, I would say this is one of the first places where I realized how much people love their Robusta. They just celebrate it and they roast it in small batches. They take care, and Vietnam grows one of the finest Robusta beans. So, of course, I love it. I have seen people who like it, and I feel it goes really well with the Indian palate because most of us, like this coffee that I'm having, we prefer to have it with a little bit of milk rather than having black. And if you are having something with milk, you would not want it to be acidic, whereas Arabica is acidic. And that is why we do not get the real flavor of coffee. And we keep wonder why the coffee is tasting weird or bitter. So it's not a problem with the coffee. At times, it's the problem with the type of coffee. I know in India, back home, we rarely have that time. And even when I go back home, as much as I would want to enjoy that coffee, I would not get that much of time to do that. Maybe on a weekend or maybe someday I would, but not every day. So what I'm trying here is to get this experience somehow with me back home. So Usmara is nothing but trying to cultivate this experience in an instant form.